Every time you look up at the sky, you see millions of stars burning silently. Galaxies spin, and light travels billions of years just to reach our eyes. But have you ever wondered? This magnificent spectacle will one day come to an end. But how? Is the universe infinite? If it is, how far can that infinity stretch? And if there is an end, what would it look like? A silent collapse, a destructive explosion, or an eternal cold where even time loses its meaning? Scientists have been pursuing this question for years, and the answers they've uncovered are both fascinating and chilling. Now, I'm taking you on a journey to the edge of existence, toward the inevitable fate of the universe. Are you ready? First stop, the Big Freeze. The universe is currently expanding. This expansion causes galaxies to move farther apart from each other. But this is just the beginning. Over time, stars will run out of fuel. New stars will no longer be born. Galaxies will drift so far apart that the night sky will become completely dark. After the stars die, the remaining energy in the universe will dissipate. Light will vanish. Heat will disappear. No sound will echo. No light will shine. Absolute silence and cold. Trillions of years from now, and even beyond that, all atoms will break apart. Protons will decay. The universe will be nothing but a dark, empty fabric of space-time. But what if the universe doesn't just fade away? What if it tears itself apart? Here comes the big rip. The mysterious force, known as dark energy, is accelerating the expansion of the universe. And if this acceleration keeps increasing, space-time itself will begin to stretch. First, galaxies will be ripped apart, then solar systems. Earth will separate from the sun, the moon will move away from Earth, and finally, molecules, atoms, even quarks will be torn apart. Imagine this. Everything, you, me, stars, galaxies, even the smallest building blocks of existence, being shattered into pieces. Nothing remains. Not even time continues. But maybe, just maybe, the universe isn't just expanding. Maybe one day it will stop, and then it will begin to contract. That's when the big crunch begins. If the matter and energy within the universe slow down and reverse the expansion, everything will begin to return to the point where it all started. Galaxies will approach each other and collide. Temperatures will rise. All the energy in the universe will be compressed into a single point. But what then? Another Big Bang? A new universe? Or were we just a single loop in an infinite cycle? Every new piece of knowledge we gain about the nature of the universe brings with it new questions. What if the universe is in a false equilibrium? What if one day, without even noticing, a reality collapse happens at the quantum level? What if suddenly, an energy wave spreads at the speed of light, wiping out everything? All the laws of physics. These possibilities may seem far-fetched. Maybe we humans will never experience any of this. The Earth will become uninhabitable in billions of years. The sun will expand and engulf us. But what if humanity becomes an intergalactic civilization? What if our descendants can travel between the stars? Then, perhaps one day, a human or an artificial intelligence will witness the death of this universe. And when that day comes, they will ask this question: why did we exist in all this infinity? Was the universe only here to be born and to die? And if everything will end one day, what meaning does now hold? The end of the universe is not just a physical question, but a philosophical one. And maybe the very fact that we can ask this question is the greatest proof that we truly exist.